What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Polo Evolve back with another video, another trade recap. So today was another winning day. You can see I made about $524. Let's review the trades that I took. So first things first, before I review these trades, something's wrong with my Top Step X account. I don't know what it is, but every time I try to change symbols, it won't change. As you can see, it's just stuck on NQ or MNQ. And I change to gold, it won't change. It won't change to anything. I don't know. I'm currently getting it troubleshooted. So what I ended up, this happened yesterday, and it's been happening ever since. So first trade I actually took was on gold, and I'm gonna show you guys on TradingView, because what I ended up doing is, like, on Top Step I could have this on gold and then I could just trade here, but like the chart won't come up. So it's kind of weird. It's like blind trading almost, but I had this chart, and I'm just gonna show you guys on TradingView. So once it broke out, basically I had this consolidation happening, and then once it broke out around 9 o'clock or 9 p.m. I entered the buy. Stop loss below the previous, or the current 15. This should actually be here. Yeah, anyway, and then boom, ended up, it hit target. I closed out. I made like $250. That's basically it. Asian session. And it's only because of how the dailies were closing. Like, you gotta understand, like, we're just making all-time highs. I anticipated that Asian session would give me at least a little bit of a push, and that's what I got from Asian session. Now moving on to NQ for today. Very simple. This is the daily. So the daily is showing us that we've had some big bullish movement, and because of that, I anticipated that eventually it's going to create some sort of resistance. We are at all-time highs as well, right? So it's got to create resistance at some point. If I bust it down to the 4 hour, you can see it's kind of consolidating for the last couple of 4 hours. You bust it down to the 1 hour, you could see that it's basically trading sideways. Market opens at 9:30. I'm waiting for it to make its direction, and once it broke these wicks down here, I simply just entered. I had the stop loss over here, but then I moved it down to break even as soon. And this was like literally like a 2-3 minute trade, probably like a 5-minute trade. I hit TP with ease, no drawdown, no nothing. Very simple, just follow the volume, and then the next support, or like next resistance or support, like the next zone, was essentially here. So that's why I had my TP just before this wick right there, and it smashed that TP with ease. And yeah, that's it. Got another, that's the rest of the profit for today. And now we're looking at, we have about $1,000 in the account. Great. So these first 2 weeks weren't the greatest, let's just say. Like, it's like back and forth trading. This week started off pretty well. I'm already up $1,100. Yeah, so essentially these 2 weeks, we're just figuring things out. Now we're kind of getting into the flow of things. This is a 3-day win streak, if we look at it. And I am eligible for a payout now that I think about it, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 trading, profitable trading days over 150, 200, whatever the case is. But you know what? I'm going to run up this account, because once I take that withdrawal, I want to make sure I have at least 2,000 as a buffer for my first payout. And then after that, I'll probably run it up even more. And yeah, because again, we have these accounts for payouts specifically, right? Like, we want to run it up, but at the same time, our main goal is to get that payout. But yeah, that's basically it for today, guys. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you guys also have that issue on Top Step where you guys, you can't change, the chart won't load, it's like frozen, whatever the case may be? I don't know, man. You guys let me know. How did your trading day go? You guys take a win, a loss? You guys take similar trades? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.